Hello students, today we are going to solve a algebraic past paper question taken from O-level mathematics D syllabus. So the question is taken from May-June 2019, question 18, and the variant is 1, 2. The question is r equals to 4p plus 2, p minus p. So in the first part of the question, they tell us to find r when p equals to minus 2. So in order to find the value of r, we need to replace p of the above equation with minus 2. So the equation is r equals to 4p plus 2 p minus p. So we need to replace p with minus 2. So 4 minus 2 plus 2 and 3 minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 2 and 3 minus minus become plus 2. So finally we get minus 6 divided by 5. In part B, they tell us to rearrange the formula to make P subject. To make P subject, first we need to cross multiply. So R 3 minus P equals to 4P plus 2. Then we need to expand the left side of the equation. PR minus RP equals to 4P plus 2. So now we need to take the P containing term to one side. So PR minus 2 equals to 4P plus RP. So we move minus RP to the right side and plus 2 the left side. So here we get all the P containing term in the right side. So we take P common, so we get 4 plus R. Then we divide both sides of the equation with 4 plus R. So finally we get P PR minus 2 divided by 4 plus R. So this is our final answer. Thank you students.